Hello, welcome to the first step in the tutorial for the star buildings. First thing we need to do is actually make the star. So we want to make sure we're in top view so we can see what we're doing in our SketchUp area. First thing I need to do is select my polygon tool. So as I said last time, the polygon tool in your version looks like a triangle. My version is slightly newer, so it's not going to look the same, but you are using the polygon. So I'm going to go ahead and select the polygon. I want to have a 5-sided figure, so I need to make sure that I type in 5 and enter, and that will change the shape of my polygon because I'm making a star. So I need a pentagon to do this. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the origin or the center of my screen. I'm going to click once, and then I'm going to drag my polygon up the green line in order to make my pentagon. Now the next step is I'm going to have to physically draw out the star because we don't have a tool that will do a star for us. So I'm going to select my line tool or my pencil. I'm going to go ahead and click on the bottom left-hand corner of my pentagon, and I'm going to drag this line all the way up to the very top and click once. Now working with the line tool, you can click again, and I'm actually going to drag this line all the way to the very bottom right-hand corner and click. Then I'm going to go ahead and click once more, drag it up to the upper left-hand corner, click again. I'm going to drag this all the way across, click once more. Then I'm going to complete my star by clicking in the same spot that I started. So I have my star now. Now the next part I need to do is I have a lot of lines and a lot of things that I don't necessarily need for my buildings. So I'm going to go ahead and erase the outside of the pentagon because I don't need that. Okay. I also want to make sure I'm deleting all these lines within the inside too because I want to have one solid piece. There we go. So that's my first star. Now I need to have 3 stars because I'm making 3 separate buildings and they're all going to be about the same size. So I'm going to go ahead and copy these. So this is the same thing we've been doing. I'm going to select the move tool. I'm going to hold down control. Well, select my star first. I'm going to select my move tool, hold down control, and that will allow me to copy and drag over my first star. Now I'm going to do the same thing for my second star. So make sure it's selected. Click the move tool, hold down control, and then drag it over again. Okay, so now I have 3 stars, and then I should be good to move on to the next step.